here we are on the gazebo. See, the bridge broke a long time ago, so we boated up here. Quit, Mama.
I can't go out there. There's too many briars. You're gonna have to go past me.
Can't tell if that's a wasp or a bee. Okay, just stay right there in case I see a wasp.
Right here. Ouch.
A duck died right there. I'm scared. Huh. Ooh. These wasp nests all over here. There's a power box up here, Mom.
I know, that's because there used to be power. There were lights and electricity.
Oh my gosh, there's like gigantic wasp nests everywhere. I've seen 2 of them. See that one right there? You can't see it because you can't see in here for some reason. That one right there, my gosh.
Okay.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
Off the other side, keep going straight and see if you see any ducks on any nests.
There's too many briars and stuff.
You've got boots on. Just go look around the edge. You don't have to stomp out there.
The only thing I'm worried about, I don't care about briars, I'm worried about wasps. My gosh, there's dead wasp nests like freaking everywhere, Mom. I'm not kidding, they're everywhere. Fricking. Oh my gosh! There's a wasp nest this big!
Where?
Right there! It doesn't have any wasp on it, but it's literally this big.
Wow.
I'm not kidding, it's like this big.
Take a picture of it.
You can't really see it very good. But holy freaking moly! Whoa, that's like a record or something. Whoa, you can't see it.
Well, it could be 6 years old. That would probably be your record.
My gosh, that's gigantic.
Look for duck nests and come on.
I'm looking for one. Oh my god, and there's one like the exact same size of over here. Hey Mom, why don't you get some shoes over? Just boat off without me, go get some shoes and come back.
No, I don't want to come back. Donna's here. Come on, we'll come back tomorrow or soon. When I've got shoes. Maybe we'll get out here and do some work.
Oh, you can't really see. Up there it is. Up there you can see. Now this one over here is like twice the size. Ugh, let me. Okay.
Was that a fish?
Where? Gosh, you can see this. Whoa, that's gigantic. That's like the size of my head. Up, and there's another one.
You're going to have to launch us off, I think. Unless you get the bag.
Are you talking to me? Wait, let me, Why don't I see wasp nests, but I don't see any ones that are alive. Why is that? But, whoa, that's like nuts.
Okay, I'm on the boat.
Are we leaving?
Will you catch this ferry or wait for the last one?
What's the next one?
Probably after your daddy gets home.
Bye.